Hello student, today we are going to learn an important topics shaft in series. Chapter name Torsion of Circular Shaft under strength of materials. When two shafts are connected so as to remain continuously lengthwise, they are said to be in series. Okay, when two shafts are connected end to end, they are said to be in series. End to end, they are said to be in series. This is shaft 1, length L1, diameter D1. This is shaft 2, length L2, diameter D2. Here one end is fixed and the other end is subjected to a torque T. When shaft in series, both shaft means shaft 1 and shaft 2 are transmitted same torque. That means torque T equal to T1 equal to T2. T1 torque transmitted by shaft 1, T2 torque transmitted by shaft 2. But angle of twist is different for shaft 1 and shaft 2. Okay, now condition for shaft in series. Number 1, T1 equal to T2. T1 is the torque transmitted by shaft 1. T2 is the torque transmitted by shaft 2. Now, as considering rigidity, considering torsion equation under rigidity, T by IP equal to G theta by L. T torque transmitted by shaft, IP polar moment of inertia, G modulus of rigidity for shaft material, theta angle of twist, L length of the shaft. So T equal to G theta by L into IP. Now as T1 equal to T2, so for shaft 1, G1 theta 1 by L1 into IP1 equal to, for shaft 2, G2 theta 2 by L2 into IP2. For same material G1 equal to G2. Okay. Second condition, when shaft in series, total angle of twist theta equal to theta 1 plus theta 2. Theta 1 equal to angle of twist for shaft 1, theta 2 equal to angle of twist for shaft 2. Now, torsion equation, considering rigidity, we know T by IP equal to G theta by L, where T equal to torque transmitted by shaft, IP equal to polar moment of inertia, G equal to modulus of rigidity for shaft material, theta equal to angle of twist, L equal to length of the shaft. From this equation, theta equal to T into L by IP into G. Now, total angle of twist theta equal to theta 1 plus theta 2. Theta 1 angle of twist for shaft 1 equal to T1 L1 by IP1 G1 plus theta 2 angle of twist for shaft 2 T2 L2 by IP2 G2. G1 and G2 are same for same materials. Okay, it is clear, my student. Thank you.